We have breaking news right now. An 8.0 magnitude earthquake has just struck off the coast of Far East Russia. Now, this is not an area that is typically populated, but tsunami watches have been issued for Hawaii and for Guam, given the fact that this earthquake struck right off the coast of Far East Russia and could potentially generate destructive waves for Hawaii. So, if you live in Hawaii, if you live in Guam, if you know anyone who lives in Hawaii or in Guam, know that a tsunami watch has been issued. That doesn't mean that a tsunami is imminent. It just means that it could generate destructive waves. An investigation is currently underway to determine whether there is a tsunami threat to Hawaii. Right now, it is set to expire in about 2 hours' time. So I'll provide you updates every step of the way. Stay safe, please.
Oh my God!
Follow along for more notifications.
This is a bad idea to be on this boat.
Very serious situation, obviously, right now developing in the Pacific.
Ya ahí
Dice que no se va a venir para acá el mar.
tembló todo. Mira, tumbó el vidrio, mira, tumbó el vidrio.
Look at that over there. Oh, wow. It's just insane. Look how much water. Wow. Hey, what?
Stand up, stand up.
그래, 그래.